Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about that how much electrical power is getting generated by different sectors. That means how much electrical power is getting generated by the central government and the state government, and also we will see that how much electrical power is getting generated by the private sectors. Okay, so in the percentage and the megawatt wise we will see that how much power is getting generated by different sectors. So let's see one by one. So first of all, let's see how much the power is actually getting generated by the central government. So the central government actually generates the power around 94,027 megawatt. If we will convert it into percentage wise, that will be 25% out of 100. Okay, so next is state government. Okay, so state government actually generates the power that is around 1 lakh 3617 megawatt. If we will convert it into percentage, that will be 28% out of 100. Okay, so next is the private sector. So the private sector is actually generating the power that is 1,75,050 megawatt. If we will convert it into percentage wise, that will be 47% out of 100. Okay, so these are the power generated by different sectors.